I just broke off all of those roots. Yikes. We've had nothing but rain here for a week now, just non-stop raining every single day, so I haven't been able to do much. But today, we got some clouds and stuff, but nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my KhangStarr Lemon Starburst potted up into its final pot for the season. So stick around and I'll show you how I'm doing that. Okay, so in this wheelbarrow, I've got some potting mix. I've got some peat moss over there. I've got some compost right there. I'm just gonna kind of mix them equal parts. And then I'm gonna use this 20-gallon tub here. I'm gonna drill some holes in the bottom of that. And then my lemon starburst, which is right there, is gonna go into it. And that's where it'll stay the whole season. All right, at this point, I am going to pull my lemon starburst from the little 1-gallon grow bag it's in, start kind of sizing it up for this, and get that in the tub. I don't know if you guys just saw what I did there, but here's the plant. I just broke off all of those roots. Yikes. Oh well, I still got some on here. Hopefully that's good enough. I think we'll be all right. Yikes. All right, here we go. So lemon starburst is in the 20-gallon. And like you guys saw, I kind of broke off half the roots, so hopefully it makes a recovery. It still has quite a few on there, so I'm thinking we'll be all right. I am not gonna water it in because we're expected to get a ton of rain later on today. So not watering it in, gonna let it do its thing with the rain. So I'll be doing updates on this plant I haven't topped it or anything. I've just been kind of letting it go. I'll be doing updates. The seeds for this were given to me by a guy in Vegas that sent them to me, and on the package it said that KhangStarr, by KhangStarr's request, these seeds will never be sold. So I'm going to be isolating this plant, and I'll kind of be doing the same thing. As soon as I get some seeds, I will be giving those away to people. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and there will be some stuff popping up around somewhere. Go ahead and click on those, watch some of my other videos. Feel free to subscribe, and I will see you next time.